3 simple quiche recipes. We'll start off with basil and tomatoes. Second, spinach, red onion and Danish blue. Last, salmon and chives topped with peppers. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Let's start with the pastry for the base. We have 280 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt and 170 grams of cold butter. Combining these together, you realise the dough is becoming all crumbly. Now let's add in 50 to 60 ml of cold water. This will bring the dough together nicely. Once the pastry dough is ready, wrap with a cling film to place in the fridge for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, place some flour onto your worktop. Open out the pastry wide enough to fit your tin. Once you are happy with the pastry, roll it around your rolling pin. This will help to transfer over your quiche tin. Gently place down onto the quiche tin, as it can easily tear. If this happens, no panic button is needed. You can always use the extra ends left to cover up. Press down onto the pastry to form the base. With the help of a knife, cut the ends to shape the base. Go ahead and prick holes into your pastry. This will allow the steam to escape. Now place some weight into the base. This will prevent your pastry from puffing. Bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Remove the weight and bake another 10 to 15 minutes until golden. Now for the filling, we have 3 large eggs, 250 ml of double cream, half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good mix. Chop up 6 to 8 leaves of basil and add into your mixture. Allow your base to cool down 5 to 10 minutes after removing from the oven. Here we have 180 grams of cheddar cheese. If you would like to swap with mozzarella or just want to add some parmesan, go ahead. Now pour the mixture all over your cheddar cheese, covering every bit. Here I have 8 cherry tomatoes chopped in half. The choice is totally down to you. You can use plum tomatoes or even beef tomatoes thinly sliced. The quiche is already looking amazing. Now to bake at 180 degrees for 35 minutes in the oven or until golden. Basil tomato quiche. You can really smell the cheese and the basil. Now for the second quiche. We have 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium red onion sliced, 200 grams of spinach. Allow the spinach to cook until it stops releasing all its water. Once the spinach has stopped releasing all its water, transfer it to a plate. This will allow it to cool down quick enough. Here we have 4 large eggs, 360 ml of double cream, quarter teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I recommend putting the cheese before the spinach. This acts like a barrier. Now 250 grams of cheddar cheese. Then to place the spinach and onions on top. Then pour the mixture over the spinach. This is totally down to you. I like to add extra cheddar cheese on top along with my Danish blue. Once it's ready, bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden colour. Now for the last quiche, salmon and chives topped with peppers. We have 250 grams of salmon. Cook the salmon for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the salmons have cooked, place them onto a tissue to soak up any moisture that's left, and to also allow it to cool down while we get the mixture ready. Here we have 3 large eggs, 250 ml of double cream, half a teaspoon of black pepper and quarter teaspoon of salt, and 10 grams of chopped up chives. For my last quiche, I have used a cake tin. As you can see, I haven't gone too high up with the sides. Here is 180 grams of cheddar cheese. I'll be pouring half the mixture on top of the cheese. Then we'll place the salmon on top. Pour the remaining mixture over the salmon. Here I have 6 slices of mixed peppers to jazz it up. Now to cook in the oven at 180 degrees for 35 minutes or until golden in colour. Beautifully baked salmon chives topped with peppers quiche. 3 amazing delicious quiche recipes made with 3 different tins and sizes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I would like to hear and answer any questions. If you like this video, thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.